Formulating new lubricants is complex, expensive, and time-intensive, and the process is often further complicated by constantly evolving regulations and guidelines. But with Beyond Limit's Cognitive Formulation Advisor, you can tackle these challenges directly to accelerate time to market and unlock the power of AI to gain crucial competitive edge from discovery to testing. Beyond Limit's Advisor generates, predicts, improves, and updates formulations quickly, accurately, and efficiently by leveraging your valuable data and knowledge. Significantly reduce material and program costs. Optimize the product development process by leveraging your specialized domain expertise. Upskill talent with knowledge-sharing capabilities, embedding that valuable expertise in your workflow. Quickly and accurately identify viable lead candidates that meet strict specifications and exhibit improved performance. Reduce risk of failure with expert blend recommendations. Ensure compliance with ever-changing regulations with the advisor's integrated library of industry standards. Transition from a demanding, high-risk approach to a fast, agile, data and knowledge-driven development process with Beyond Limit's Cognitive Formulation Advisor. Contact us for a demo.